Today, guys, we are talking about a topic that could potentially save you from getting in trouble. This time, on Nature Guy X46 Presents, we are asking the question, can I keep feathers that I find in my yard? So, this feather, which stayed outside, was a picture taken so that I could post it, so I could put it on Facebook to see what type of bird it was. The simple answer to can I keep feathers that I find in my yard, the simple answer is no, you can't. It is illegal for you to keep the feathers of any wild bird. However, that being said, it doesn't stop you from keeping the feathers that you find. Oops, sorry, nope, not what I wanted to say. It doesn't stop you from keeping feathers of birds that you keep for pets, such as parrots or chickens, animals that you raise on your farm. Maybe you have emus or ostriches or turkeys, chickens, pigeons, stuff like that you can keep, as long as you can prove that it's really, from your home. It doesn't matter if the feathers that you find are in your yard or a national park. You cannot keep them. You can take photos of them, and that's the best way to do it, is just to take a picture. On the other hand, like I've already mentioned, there are some exceptions to the rules. If an organization is permitted to keep feathers, they might be allowed to collect them, but again, they're doing that with a permit. They cannot sell the feathers or give the feathers to anybody. This law does not apply to non-North American birds. However, hawks, eagles, falcons, and owls are all protected by CITES, as well as parrots. So yes, those feathers would be illegal too. Now, as I previously mentioned, if you do own a parrot, a macaw, a pheasant, turkeys, chickens, ducks, geese, swans, like a mute swan, if you own the birds, then yes, you can keep the feathers. And you could even sell them, but again, you must be able to legally prove that they are from your birds and not a protected wild bird. Now, some native members of indigenous tribes may own eagle feathers, but they can never be sold or traded. I hope that answers your questions. If you have more questions, contact your local DNR biologist. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment or question. Remember to never give up on yourself and always keep learning. Remember, I'm going live Tuesdays at noon and Fridays at 6 p.m. And I will see you in the next one.